You see, this one size fits all palazzo trouser, it's a must have for every lady. Like, it's very beautiful, very comfy, and very easy to make. Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vivian. If you are new to this channel, on this channel I share tutorial videos and sewing tips. If this is your first time coming across my channel, please let me subscribe. Like this video as e dey hot. Like the video, drop a comment, appreciation message on the comment section, and also help me share this video so you can get to people that might also want to watch it. Let's get started, guys, on the sewing tutorial. So here I have my fabric on fold. I have two, one for front and one for back. And as usual, I've also drawn a line here to serve as a waistline. If you want to fold your fabric, your hip measurement divide by 4 plus extra 13 inches. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to place my tape 1 inch above. That 1 inch is for band because I'll be adding a band to pass the rope. Okay, so from there I'll measure the length of this trouser plus extra 2 inches for hemming. So I'll just mark the length plus extra 2 inches for hemming the trouser, and that is what I'm just marking now. The next measurement I'll be marking on this waistline is my hip measurement divide by 4. Remember, I told you when you are folding your fabric, you divide your hip measurement by 4, then add at least extra 13 inches. This is totally your choice depending on how big you want your trouser to be. But mine, I added extra 13 inches. So after marking my hip measurement, I went ahead to mark extra 10 inches. My hip is 40, divide by 4 will give me 10 inches. I added extra 10 inches, that's 20 inches. The same 20 inches I'm going to mark here. And I'll basically mark it all the way down to the hemline. So I just remeasured it to make sure it's 20 inches I have there. I'm going to mark 20 inches here. I'll mark it here and also mark it at the hemline. This is to make my line straight. You can just go ahead and use a long ruler to take the line straight all the way to the hemline. So I'll just go ahead and do that. You can see I've already marked it all the way down. The next measurement I marked is my crotch length. I divided my hip by 4 again, that's 10 inches. I added extra 1.5 inches. Half inch will be for ease and 1 inch is for joining. At that point, I extended my crotch extension with 3 inches. You can use 2.5 inches if you want. And here I'm going to come up by 1 inch and go ahead and slant and curve the crotch extension here. Just curve it like this. You can use your free hand or you can use your ruler to do that, just like I'm doing so. And that's basically all the measurement that you need to take. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out. After cutting it, I'll go over to my sewing machine to stitch the crotch length. Just stitch for the back and here as well, stitch for the front. After stitching the crotch length, the crotch side, this is what I have. I've stitched for both front and also for back. So the next thing I want to do is to measure the waistline. So I'll be able to cut out the band I'll be placing there. I'll go ahead and measure for the front and also measure for the back because I'll be cutting the band separately. So after measuring for this one, I have about 46 inches. I'll also measure this one as well to cut out the band. So here is the band I'll be placing here. You can see it will be long enough to cover the waist for both for front and for the back. That's the length. Okay, now for the width, what I have here is, you can see I have 3 inches. So I will use half inch to join it, and 1 inch will remain to pass the rope. Now I'll go over to sewing machine. I'm going to place this band like this, right side facing right side, and I'm going to stitch with 1/4 an inch or half an inch. Okay, just make sure that after sewing that you still have like 1 inch remaining to pass your rope. I'll do that on this one as well. So after stitching the band like that, this is how it will be looking. Okay, you see how this one is. I've stitched for both the front and the back. So now I'll go ahead and cut out the excess that is remaining from here. After cutting out the excess, I'm going to fold in like this small. You can see, and then place it here and top stitch. Just fold in, place and top stitch from that stitch that you made first. I'll do that both for this front and back. So I'll go and do that. After top stitching, you can see how neat the waist is looking. This is the waistband. You can see how neat it's looking. This is where we'll be passing our rope from, so you don't need to stitch it. Now I'll go ahead and stitch the side. For me to stitch the side, I'm going to place both the front and the back like this, right side facing right side, and I will start stitching from this. I'm not stitching here because I'll be passing rope from this side. Okay, this open up, passing rope from there, so no need of stitching it. So I'm going to start from here and then stitch down and also stitch this side as well. So guys, after stitching it, this is how it's looking like. I've used 1 inch to close the both side. Now remaining is to join the crotch extension area. So I'm going to hold it this way. Make sure the line is coming together. Okay, so I'm just going to hold it. I will stitch all the way down and also stitch the other side as well, and after that I'll go ahead and hem it. So guys, after stitching and passing my rope, this is how it's looking like. So you just have to go ahead and sew a rope that will be long enough to pass and remain the one you use to tie it. This palazzo trouser is very beautiful. It's very comfy and it's very easy to make. If this video was helpful, guys, help me like this video. Make sure you like the video, drop your thank you on the comment section, and share this video. Turn on your notification button. See you next time. Bye.